How to fix cannot start Hirez Authenticate and update service error. Below are some tips you may try out. 1. Check if you have this folder /steam apps /common /paladins /binaries /redist. If yes, run install Hirez service as admin. 2. Temporarily disable /cancel auto login. Run Hirez game support diagnostic tool. Press the rear end prerequisite button above. Note, please don't accept prerequisite. 3. Go to control panel, uninstall a program. Find Hirez Studio's Authenticate and Update service and remove the application manually. Note, to re-download the Hirez Authentication and Update Services application, go to your Steam directory for Smite, head to Steam's install folder, such as C:\program files, x86, /steam apps /common /smite /binaries /redist, run install Hirez service, and when prompted uninstall select yes. This will not uninstall the entire game. After it's done uninstalling, run the install Hirez service file again to reinstall the service. Then head on over to https://www.paladins.com. Select download at the top and select your platform. This file is the launcher for Paladins. 4. Open system configurations, shortcut, press Windows and search misconfig, then go to services and search for Hirez Authenticate and Update service, tick the box, click OK and try to login. 5. Try seeing if temporary disabling your firewall and antivirus software fixes the problem. If this does, then add Smite to the exceptions list for both your antivirus and firewall, both the client and related services. You may also consider removing the third-party antivirus with the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 6. Run the following command. As admin, dism/online/disable feature name netfx3. Important, wait until it says the operation completed successfully. After Hirez service is done installing, Smite launcher will appear, but will be stuck on waiting to download because, while the Hirez service does not need Microsoft.NET 3.5.12 to be installed, Smite does, so you'll have to enable it again. Press the X button in the upper right of Smite launcher to close it, then type this in CMD, dism/online/enable feature name netfx3 and press enter. Important, wait until it says the operation completed successfully. Then start the Smite launcher again, and now game should install fine. 7. Manually start the Hirez Studios Authenticate and Update service in thservices.msc. List. 8. Reinstall the game application you can't play.